Do you have any problems at your factory, such as person doesn't know the proper inspection method, so it can't maintain sewing machine, or there is no expert technician, or person can't manage the sewing machine, like that? JUKI can support to solve those problems with the free inspection support application. We have mobile app for inspection support, and cloud app for management support. The mobile application displays inspection procedures, so anyone can easily perform maintenance. And when the parts need to be replaced, app will guide not only the part number of the replacement part, also the installation procedure and adjustment method as well. Even if you're not familiar with the sewing machine, you can perform uniform maintenance from beginners to experts by looking at the inspection procedure on mobile application, so you can reduce the skill difference due to experience. Cloud applications specialize in management functions. It can use from ShuHaRi website. Since the management function can visualize the state of the sewing machine in the entire factory, so it is possible to digitize the records such as the inspection status of the sewing machine. More information can be found on our website. Thank you for watching and please subscribe us to get latest info.